When looking at the sub-area of classrooms, we can find upcoming classes for the next 7 days. The scheduled time, course, duration of the course, student name, tags, status, and actions will show. The sync calendar icon is also available on this page. We can click on the student's name to find more student information, such as age, most recent courses taken, previous teacher tips, the amount of VIP Kid classes taken, performance, and so forth. By clicking on Classroom under Actions, we will be taken directly to the classroom. Because this class is not ready to start, the Start Class button will be in gray. Here is where the student can be given stars. The student's information and lesson information will show here. Once class starts, the lesson PowerPoint will load in this window. The student will appear here, and the teacher will appear here. When we want to add feedback, we can click on Add Feedback. We can refresh the lines, change the lines, exit the classroom, call for help from the firemen for any IT issues, use the chat box, award stickers, provide advice or report any bugs, use the filter, and use night mode. Under Actions, we can also access materials. Here we can find the lesson objectives, vocabulary, sentence patterns, grammar, and so forth. We can also preview the lesson and look through the lesson slides. We will also be able to see lesson notes, class information, outline, props, rewards, tips and tricks, feedback template. The practice room is now available. We have up to 30 minutes in the practice room. Here we can make sure our settings are okay. We can test out our camera and our sound by going into our settings. We can try out things like the chat box. We can check our audio and video feed, check our device settings, use basic slide features. Some of these features are things like the text input box, the pen tool, the magnifier. We can turn off the student's mouse and keyboard, change the color of the pen tool. We can erase, we can restore the page, and we can use the timer as well. Missing class feedback and unit assessment feedback will show here if classes are missing this input. We can then go fill out the feedback so that it is completed. All classes allows us to see the past, present, and future classes. These can be explored through the date. By clicking on Cancellations and No-Shows and Change Finish Type, a new page will open with a list of our past classes. Here we can request to change the finish type, apply for a soft or medium cancellation, or give a reason on our behalf for a no-show. And this concludes our exploration of the sub-area of classrooms within the class page.